Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel again. This is Zach here. Hope you guys has been great. Yeah, so today I'm going to unbox, do the unboxing of another, gadget that I purchased. So this is the Sony PlayStation 5 controller. I actually had a PlayStation 5 myself, but I actually thought that probably I could have another controller just in case if I play games, and then in case the one that I'm using is running out of battery, I have the other one on standby as well. Okay, so that's the reason why I bought this. Overall, it's an amazing controller after I've used that. Okay, so that's why I actually wanted to purchase another one today. Alright, so without further ado, guys, let me go into the unboxing experience itself, guys. Okay, so as you can see, here is the box itself. Okay, alright, so you guys can pause it. Okay, all right, if you want to have a look, it's in Korean, by the way, guys. All right, okay, so there's the side of the box. Okay, and here's the other side of the box. Okay, all right, so first of all, let me try if I can actually peel it off from here. I think I can. Okay, so let me just peel it off. Quite very easy. Guess I don't need my unboxing knife. Okay, so yeah, so this is just a very simple way to open it up. Okay, so let me just paste it here. Okay, so this is it. Okay, let me just open up the box. Okay, this is just a very simple unboxing, guys. Alright, just to show you guys what's inside the box. Okay, so it's nothing inside already. Alright, so this is it. Let me just try to open it up. Okay. Alright. So this is it, guys. This is the Sony PlayStation 5 controller, guys. Alright, brand new. Okay, let me just put it in here. So okay, so here is the controller itself. Alright, let me see if there's anything else in the box. So this is the manual. Okay. Alright, so yes, this is it. Let me see if there's any cables. No cables. No cables. Nothing, guys. Nothing. Okay, Sony didn't even give another cable for this almost $99 Sing dollars controller. You see, I guess I hope at least they should at least give us something. Alright, so yeah, that's it. This is the controller itself. Pretty solid. Maybe I just need an overview, a bit of review, since I'm doing this as well, right, guys? So this is very similar to what I have. Of course, they are the same thing. Overall, I feel the PS5 controller is very well done this time round compared to the PS4. I feel more comfortable holding this compared to the previous gen. Alright, so I think they did an amazing job. Okay, the haptic motion, the haptic trigger and all that, I feel it's still in the early stage. I think it's a bit too overhyped from now. Okay, not a lot of games really took advantage of it. I mean, so far the games that I ever played right now that took advantage is the Resident Evil. There's other games as well, but not as much. So I think it's still an I would say too as of now it's still quite an overhyped feature, I feel, right? But overall, don't get me wrong, it's still a very good controller, guys. Very, very good. Okay, so so far from now I have yet to run out of any battery because I'm not a very heavy gamer. I game like 1 or 2 hours and then I'll just rest and then just continue again. So my controller has time to charge. But if you are gaming like 6 hours, 8 hours, that kind of hours, right, then probably I suggest you guys probably can get another controller, especially let's say you are doing streaming, okay, or you want to record gameplay. All right, you need to keep playing, and then I will suggest you guys to get another controller, and then with the DualSense the charging dock as well, so you can charge both controller and also or if not, you use one controller, the other controller is charging. Okay, so overall very sturdy. And I heard that you can use it on Steam as well. I haven't tried that. Probably I can do another video on how do we connect it. All right, you can actually use it on the PC as well. I mean, I think it's a very useful feature. Not only you can use it on PS5, but you can use it on Steam as well, alright, or on your PC, alright. But I believe there should be another kind of ways of so-called setting up lah. Alright, so alright guys, that's it. Yeah, so this is the joystick, okay, the buttons, the direction button, the broadcast button, the option button, you know, all the usual stuff, USB-C, thank you Sony. Okay, so yeah, so this is the audio port, right? So this is where you also charge your, your this controller if you bought the charging dock, okay, from Sony. Okay, alright, so yeah guys, I think that's about it. Alright, so that's it guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this very quick and simple unboxing video guys. Alright, and please stay safe guys. Okay, have a good day. Bye.